Welcome back to the Bishop School Pre-Primary Standard Junior KG. Today we are going to do Eric writing. So children, let's all stand in our places, join your hands, close your eyes and recite the school prayer. Children, please repeat the prayer after me. Almighty God, grant grace to the members of this school to be sincere in work, play and prayer, so that teachers and thought learning from each others may become more fit for thy service and the service of their fellows. Children, you may open your eyes and sit down. Children, open your maths homework book. Let's see in previous lesson what we had done. In previous lesson, teacher taught you to write 42, 43, 44. 42, 43, 44. 45, 46, 47. 45, 46, 47. You have written, children? Yes, you have done? Okay, very nice. Today, teacher will teach you to write the next numbers. Are you ready with pencil and eraser? Okay, let's start. Children, you should know to write the dates. Okay? Draw one line over here. What is today's date? 9. 9 December. Okay? So what you must write? 9 dash 12 dash 20. Okay? You have written 9 dash 12 dash 20. Now you have to put the two dots. How you are going to put the two dots? Over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Okay. Now write the next number. Next number is 48. How you are going to write 48? 4 and 8, 48. Say and write, children. 4 and 8, 48. Leave one box. 49. How you are going to write 49? 4 and 9, 49. Leave one box. 50. How you are going to write 50? 5 and 0, 50. 5 and 0, 50. 48, 49, 50. 48, 49, 50. Yes, children, you have written? Okay. Now you have to write the full page. Write slowly and neatly along with the teacher. Say and write 48. 4 and 8, 48. Leave one box. Write 49. 4 and 9, 49. Leave one box. Write 50. What teacher said? How are you going to write 50? 5 and 0, 50. 48, 49, 50. Okay, write slowly and neatly. 48. 4 and 8, 48. Leave one box. 49. 4 and 9, 49. Leave one box. Write 50. 5 and 0, 50. Okay. 48, 49, 50. Again write over here. 48. 4 and 8, 48. Leave one box. Next number is 49. 4 and 9, 49. What comes next after 49? 50. 5 and 0, 50. 5 and 0, 50. 48, 49, 50. Okay. 48. 4 and 8, 48. Leave one box. Write the next number. 49. 4 and 9, 49. 50. 5 and 0, 50. You have written, children? Say and write. Okay? Write with good handwriting. 48. 4 and 8, 48. Write the next number. 49. 4 and 9, 49. Write the next number. 50. 5 and 0, 50. 48, 49, 50. Okay. Say and write. 48. How you going to write 48? 4 and 8, 48. How you going to write 48? 4 and 8, 48. Okay, next number is 49. How you going to write 49? 4 and 9, 49. How you will write 49? 4 and 9, 49. What comes after 49? 50. After 49, next number comes 50. How are you going to write 50? 5 and 0, 50. 5 and 0, 50. Okay, you are done, children? You have written? Okay. Okay. Now, take the next page. Teacher will show you new set of number. On first line, you have to write 35 dash 50. On first line, 35 dash 50. Today we are going to learn the new set of numbers. You should know to write the numbers from 35 to 50. Okay? You have to begin from third line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you have to put the dot. Okay? Now what teacher said over here? 35. 35 to 50. So you have to start from 35. Which number you can see first? 35. So here you have to write 35. Okay? यहाँ पर कौन सा नंबर दिखाई दे रहा है? 35. So you have to start from 35. Okay? Say and write. What comes next? 35, 36. 35, 36. You have to say and write. 37. 38. 39. 40. Okay? You have to say and write. आपको बोल के लिखने का है. आप मिस्टेक नहीं करोगे. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. What comes next? 41. How are you going to write 41? 4 and 1, 41. You are done, children? You have written? Okay, now leave one box. Write the next number. 42. How are you going to write 42? 4 and 2, 42. What comes next? 43. 4 and 3, 43. 44. 4 and 4, 44. Next number comes 45. How are you going to write 45? 4 and 5, 45. Okay, you have written till here. Okay, read again once. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay, what comes after that? What comes after 45? 46. How are you going to write 46? 4 and 6, 46. Okay, now next number comes 47. 4 and 7, 47. After that what comes? 48. 4 and 8, 48. You have written, children? Now leave one box. Now you have to write the next number. After 48 what comes? 49. How are you going to write? 49. How are you going to write 49? 4 and 9, 49. What comes after 49? 50. 5 and 0, 50. 5 and 0, 50. Yes, children, you have done. You have written the numbers from 35 to 50. Okay. You should know to write the numbers from 35 to 50. What teacher has given new set of number? 35 to 50. So you have to start from 35. And when 50 comes, you have to stop. Okay. Now read 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. What comes after 39? 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. When 50 comes, you have to stop. Okay. Now turn the page, children. Okay. Now take the next page. Today teacher will teach you to write the spelling of 1. How are you going to write the spelling of 1? Teacher will show you how to write. You have to begin from third line. Put 2 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first box which you can see outside the margin, here you have to write 1. डैश डैश, ओके, इक्वल टू साइन डालना है, डैश डैश, 1 लिखने का है और 2 स्लीपिंग लाइन्स डालना है, ओके। नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट, कैपिटल लेटर ओ, आता है ना आपको कैपिटल लेटर ओ, ओके। फर्स्ट बॉक्स में ओ लिखने का है, नेक्स्ट बॉक्स में यू हैव टू राइट एन, देन द थर्ड बॉक्स यू हैव टू राइट ई, स्पेलिंग ऑफ 1, 1 डैश डैश ओ एन ई, 1, 1 is equal to O N E, 1 is equal to O N E, O N E 1, स्पेलिंग ऑफ 1 की क्या है, O N E 1। हैव रिटन चिल्ड्रेन, आपने लिखा है ऐसा 1 डैश डैश 2 टाइम स्लीपिंग लाइन O N E 1, यस। नाउ यू हैव टू राइट द फुल पेज, ओके। नाउ लीव वन बॉक्स, राइट ओवर योर 1 डैश और डैश लिखने का है, ओके। O N E 1, यू आर डन, ओके। आपने लिखा है ऐसा, यू हैव रिटन, ओके। नाउ लीव वन बॉक्स, राइट ओवर योर 1 इक्वल टू, ऐसा डैश डैश लाइन डालो, कैपिटल लेटर ओ, बड़ा वाला ओ लिखने का है, कैपिटल लेटर, देन स्मॉल लेटर एन एंड स्मॉल लेटर ई, O N E 1, O N E 1, you have to say and write, okay. Again write over here, leave one box, write over here 1 डैश डैश लिखो इधर, कैपिटल लेटर ओ, स्मॉल लेटर एन और स्मॉल लेटर ई, O N E 1, O N E 1, you have to say and write, okay. Write again, once again 1, यहाँ पर डैश डैश डालो, कैपिटल लेटर ओ लिखो, एन ई, write slowly and neatly, O N E 1, you have to say and write. What is the spelling of 1? O N E 1, O N E 1, okay. Write over here 1 is equal to O N E 1, you have to say and write, okay. आपको अच्छे से लिखने का है, राइट अगेन, से एंड राइट 1, यहाँ पर स्लीपिंग लाइन करो ऐसा डैश डैश, देन व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट, कैपिटल लेटर ओ, स्मॉल लेटर एन ई, O N E 1, you have to say and write. What is the spelling of 1? O N E 1, O N E 1, O N E 1, okay. You have to write with good handwriting, अच्छे से लिखने का है आपको। Children, please follow the instruction. Teacher has taught you to write the spelling of 1. So how you are going to write the spelling of 1? टीचर ने आपको क्या बताया, 1 लिखने का इज इक्वल टू 2 स्लीपिंग लाइन डालने का, कैपिटल लेटर ओ, देन स्मॉल लेटर एन एंड स्मॉल लेटर ई, ओके. दिस इज द करेक्ट वे ऑफ राइटिंग, ओके. लुक हियर वंस अगेन, 1 इज इक्वल टू ओ N E 1, okay. Look again, once again, 1 is equal to, ऐसे स्लीपिंग लाइन डालने का, डैश डैश, कैपिटल लेटर O, स्मॉल लेटर N and small letter E. This is the correct way of writing. If you write this way, then this way teacher will give you wrong. ऐसा आपको नहीं लिखने का है, okay. Teacher will give you wrong. ऐसा बड़ा बड़ा आपको नहीं लिखने का है. Teacher has told you to write capital letter O, small letter N and small letter E. Okay? See once again. 1 लिखने का is equal to O, capital letter O, then small letter N and small letter E. This is the correct way of writing. If you write this way, then teacher will give you wrong. ऐसा आपको नहीं लिखने का है, ऐसा बड़ा बड़ा नहीं लिखने का है. ओके? ये सेम साइज का हो जाता है, तो ये आपको टीचर रॉन्ग देगी. यू शुड राइट कैपिटल लेटर ओ, स्मॉल लेटर एन एंड स्मॉल लेटर ई. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, we are done for today. So what you have learned today? Today you have learned to write the next numbers 48, 49, 50. Teacher has also taught you to write the new set of numbers 35 to 50. And today what new thing you have learned? Yes children, teacher has taught you the spelling of 1. आज आपको टीचर ने क्या सिखाया? टीचर ने आपको 48, 49, 50 नंबर सिखाया। टीचर ने आपको न्यू सेट ऑफ नंबर भी सिखाया 35 to 50। और आज आपने नया क्या सीखा? स्पेलिंग ऑफ वन की स्पेलिंग लिखने के लिए सीखा। सो कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग चिल्ड्रन वॉट एवर यू हैव डन। थैंक यू पेरेंट्स। थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन। बाय। टेक केयर।